Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can request a refund from Uber app. So to get a refund on Uber trip, what you need to do is first off, let's open up the policy, rider refund policy. We hope that every trip you book through the Uber app goes without issue, but we understand that sometimes things happen. So what am I eligible to receive a full or partial refund? A fee was charged in error. Okay, so these are all the requirements for a refund. Okay, and you can always just get a refund if you simply just tap on at the top left corner of the screen and tap on help. There you might always just find refund option. You can request a refund from there. Say first you open this, then you tapped over here at the bottom at the top left corner, then you tap on your trips. Now you choose any of the trips and put a dispute on it, and then tap on I would like a refund. Okay, now you have put a dispute to that ride that you have a problem with, that you want a refund on, and you have to know that there are certain eligibility criteria to be eligible for a refund on Uber. And yeah, I guess that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.